Cho nên ô mê công mà, do nên khỏi đây khỏi giáo sư. That is what many of my family and friends told me, and I used to believe it too. However, after having a better understanding and learning about the Hmong wedding process, I would like to break this stereotype because it is not entirely true. First, heavy alcohol usage in a Hmong wedding comes from the family that they're representing. If there's alcohol, then the Mekong will drink accordingly to the family's request, and this is usually done by respect. Secondly, the Mekong is pretty much like the manager of the wedding. Since there are so many steps to follow, the Mekong has to stay sober as much as possible in order to carry his duty. In addition, they are the faces that represent the groom or the bride side of the family, so it would not be a wise decision to be drunk. Third, the amount of alcohol for the teng or the procedures of the whole wedding itself usually is less than 3 cans of beer. And these are not drink through shotgun, hoipo, or chico. The drinks are usually done in a 2 ounce or less shot glass, and it's throughout the whole wedding itself. Lastly, your parent will not randomly pick someone to be your mekong. For example, individuals with divorce or widow history are highly discouraged to be your mekong because Hmong parents believe that their trajectory can impact yours. Also, individuals with histories of being drunk during a Hmong wedding will be less likely asked to become a mekong again. So their status matter. Therefore, mekong have such a heavy responsibility, they will try to avoid drinking as much as possible. Until next time, this is Dua.